Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today's video, I will be sharing some creative rock landscaping ideas to add charm and beauty to your outdoor spaces. Rocks are a natural and affordable way to enhance your garden or backyard. And they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. So let's get started with some amazing rock landscaping ideas. Rock garden. The first idea is to create a rock garden. This is an excellent choice for those who live in dry climates as it requires very little maintenance. Start by cleaning the area on any unwanted plants or debris and then lay a layer of landscape fabric to prevent weed growth. Add rocks of different sizes and shapes to create a natural looking garden. You can also add some succulent. The second idea, rock waterfall. The second idea is to create a rock waterfall. This is a perfect way to add a tranquil and peaceful ambience to your garden. Start by digging a hole and lining it with a rubber pond liner. Next, add rocks of different sizes to create a natural looking waterfall. Add a pump to the bottom of the pond and connect it to a hose that will pump water up to the top of the waterfall. Lastly, add some aquatic plants to add color to your pond. Rock pathway. The third idea is to create a rock pathway. This is an excellent way to add some visual interest to your garden while also providing a practical function. Start by laying down landscape fabric to prevent weed growth. Next, add rocks of different sizes and shapes to create a natural looking pathway. You can also add some stepping stones to provide stability when walking on the pathway. Rock fire pit. The fourth idea is to create a rock fire pit. This is an excellent way to add some warmth and coziness to your outdoor space. Start by clearing the area of any unwanted plants or debris. Next, add rocks of different sizes to create a natural looking fire pit. Add some wood or gas logs to the center of the pit and light it up. You can also add some seating around the fire pit to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Rock wall. The fifth idea is to create a rock wall. This is a great way to add some texture and depth to your garden while also providing some privacy. Start by digging a trench where you want the wall to be located. Next, add a layer of gravel to create a stable base. Start stacking rocks on top of each other, making sure to alternate the sizes and shapes to create a natural looking wall. Finally, add some plants or vines to the wall to add color and depth. So those are my top 5 rock landscaping ideas that will add beauty and charm to your outdoor spaces. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money to create a stunning garden or backyard. With a little creativity and some rocks, you can transform your outdoor space into a natural and beautiful oasis. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great ideas.